Today we have Dr. Kishore Dhara, who did his PhD in computer sciences from the Iowa State University. After this, he joined Bell Laboratories in New Jersey and worked as a senior research scientist before moving on to his startup journey. He is currently the Chief Innovation Officer at BioNTech. He is heading the AML globally at Oaknorth, a UK-US based fintech unicorn. He authored more than 25 peer-reviewed articles and he holds 35 plus patents. He is the recipient of famous Thomas Alva Edison Award for Innovation in 2015 for the R&D Council at New Jersey, USA. Welcome, Dr. Kishore. Can you just please introduce what you're going to teach to our doctors today?
Sure. Thank you, Dr. Suresh. So this is a lecture 2, and this lecture, I would like to frame the physician, not the tools such as biostatistics and AI, as a central decision maker in modern medicine. So we'll start with positioning biostatistics as a foundational language of evidence, enabling physicians to judge causality, uncertainty, and guiding them as a guideline strength. So then we want to explain why the explosion of complex data requires a transition towards AI. We're clarifying that biostatistics and AI serve distinct purposes. So one establishes evidence and the other generates predictions. So then we move on to present that AI is not a monolithic thing, and it spans across classical machine learning, deep learning, and generative models. So this lecture highlights these differences and emphasizes that physicians, when using such studies, models, or reviewing literature, must apply distinct evaluation criteria. Finally, we present that the future of medicine lies not in replacing clinical judgment, but in integrating statistical rigor and AI prediction under the informed, accountable, and ethical leadership of the physician.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kishore. So to moderate your session, we have Dr. Neil Ghosh with us. Can you please introduce Dr. Neil Kishore?
Sure. So Neil Ghosh has 2 decades of experience designing and building enterprise and consumer software, leveraging cloud computing and machine learning. He has educated and mentored thousands of students, professionals, and startup teams. He has volunteered and served as a conference speaker for IEEE and developer communities across India. He was recognized as a Google developer, expert in the cloud domain, specializing in AI. Currently, he works at Microsoft, building AI-powered security products and leading innovation in developer productivity through the use of modern AI tools. Welcome, Neil Ghosh. It's a pleasure having you as a moderator.
It's a pleasure. Neil, just as we all know that as a moderator, you will be just reading through all the questions of the speakers, and probably you're going to use the AI tool to condense it and then make it some 8-10 important questions and then discuss with you. Any thoughts on this project? Quick 10 seconds, Neil.
I think initially it was very overwhelming because of the volume of the students and professionals that is joining this talk. But I think this tool does an excellent job of summarizing the most relevant questions and then gives us a view which makes it very easy to interact with the speaker and get the insights from them after the lecture has been delivered.
Thank you, Dr. Kishore and Mr. Neil. We thought of looking forward of joining you people on 28th, that is coming Wednesday, between 4 p.m. and 3 p.m. Thank you very much.
Thank you.